Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Principium Advisory, I would like to welcome you all to this webinar on the Career Excellence Hub. I, Dr. Pooja Chavda Sharma, am part of the Principium team of coaches. I would like to thank you all for having expressed your interest in learning about the Career Excellence Hub. At the Career Excellence Hub, we prepare students like you to excel in the job selection process, be it on or off campus. Success in placement is ensured through thorough preparation, and preparation largely involves participating with experts who can observe how you perform in personal interviews, group discussions, and written tests under simulated conditions and provide you with feedback as to what aspects of your performance need to be improved upon. Please note that at the Career Excellence Hub, we do not give training lectures, but actually work with you to ensure that you are exhibiting the expected behavior during the selection process. Today's webinar has been organized with the sole objective to explain to you what we do at the Career Excellence Hub and how this will benefit people like you who are aspiring for their first job in the near future. Without further delay, I request Mr. Puneet Mathur, founder and managing director of Principium, to talk to you about the Career Excellence Hub. Over to you, Puneet.
Okay, thanks, Dr. Pooja. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
And can you see the shared screen?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, great. Okay, good afternoon, friends. On behalf of Principium, I would like to welcome you all to this webinar about our company, Principium Advisory, and specifically the Career Excellence Hub. I would like to start today's meeting with an introduction to Principium Advisory first. Principium Advisory was founded with a mission to be the leader in career coaching, the preferred #1 choice of students and young professionals alike who desire to excel in their careers. Now, in pursuit of this vision, we have undertaken the path to provide personalized coaching to fresh graduates, young professionals, and small business owners in order to equip them with the skills and knowledge required to excel in the selection processes for employment and later on in their careers. Who are our clients? Our clients are fresh graduates. We primarily work with fresh graduates or students who are about to graduate from engineering colleges or B schools, or even graduates in any discipline, plain graduates from colleges. We also work with young professionals who are seeking a career change. And by career change, I mean we target young men and women in the age group of 28 to 35 years who have about 7 to 10 years of work experience already, but are now desirous of making a career shift. And a career shift, mind you, is not just a job shift. It means changing one's nature of work or field of work completely. So that is what a career change is. Now let's come to the Career Excellence Hub. All of the work we do with students and young professionals is done in what we call the Career Excellence Hub. The name Career Excellence Hub came into being with a significance, which is providing coaching and guidance to students to excel in any process related to the careers, beginning with the job selection process. What do we do? This section of the presentation is where you need to focus, because here's where we talk about what we do and how it can benefit you all. As mentioned before, all our work is directed at accomplishing one objective, that is preparing students like you to excel in the job selection processes. So let's look at what our placement preparation services are at the Career Excellence Hub. So the first product that we have is what is called the Placement Preparation Package. This package is a coaching package where personalized training and coaching is provided for the three main components of any job selection process, which is the personal interview or the PI, the group discussion or the GD, and the written tests, which are basically aptitude tests. So if you see and if you know these three components, the interviews, GDs, and written tests are basically part of any selection process of any company, whether it is on campus or off campus. The second service that we provide is the resume building service. And we'll talk more about this in a moment. So let's first talk about the placement preparation package. So the first thing in the placement preparation package is the personal interviews. Coaching for personal interviews is through one-to-one mock interview sessions. All the sessions are personalized, that is, they are held between the candidate and the coach only. So it's a strictly one-to-one session. Each mock personal interview is followed by a feedback session with the coach. The interview sessions and the feedback sessions, mind you, are completely confidential. So that is something that you need to note, that whatever is your assessment by the coach at the end of any personal interview session, that feedback is given only to you and is not shared with anybody. None of your friends, none of the other members of the batch in which you might be getting coached. It's a feedback which is completely confidential. And in this placement preparation package, we have 4 such mock personal interview sessions, and the entire session, which consists of the interview and the feedback after that, will last approximately 1 hour per session. Now let's come to group discussions. As you know, group discussions are a very, very important part of any placement or any job selection process. And normally group discussions are typically an elimination round. So there are about 8 to 10 students who form a group, and a topic is given to them and they have to speak for about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. And at the end of it, a certain number of students are selected and the rest are told to go. And as far as those that are told to go is concerned, that is the end of the selection process as far as they are concerned for that particular company. So how to conduct yourself in a group discussion is something of critical importance. So group discussions, obviously, because you have to train to be talking in a group. So these sessions are all group sessions. Typically, we will have anything between 5 to 8 students in a group for the group discussion. Each group discussion will be followed by a personalized one-to-one feedback. So while you might be doing the GD in a group of 5 to 8 students, at the end of the GD, feedback will be given to each of those 5 students separately and on a one-to-one basis about how they performed in the GD and where is it that they need to take corrective action. So again, your feedback or assessment of the coach of you is completely confidential and is shared just with you. The third component that we are talking about are written tests. Most of the companies who come on campus or most of the companies who are recruiting fresh graduates will definitely put you through a written test. And this written test is typically a combination of different sections. There will be quantitative aptitude, general knowledge or general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, etc., etc. So there is one test. There are typically multiple choice questions, and they are you have to answer them in a limited time period and hand over the question. And some people use it as a cumulative score to finally decide on whether they want to hire you or not. And again, in some cases, written tests can also be an elimination round. So as part of this preparation package, we will be giving you these written tests 4 times. So each of the 4 times you will be given a booklet or something which is an equivalent for online testing. All the questions are multiple choice questions, and you will be tested in the areas of general knowledge, general awareness, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, test of English language, etc. At the end of the test, the coach will give you a score after checking the paper, and that feedback will be provided to you. Maybe not on the spot, because checking the score might take some time. So the coach will get back to you with the result and the score of that whatever you scored on the test, so that you can see section wise how much did you score where, and which were the questions that you answered wrongly, which were the questions you answered correctly. Now, these tests can also be done in a group, in the sense that there might be 4 or 5 of you or even more in a particular meeting, assuming that for some time these will be done online. But what we ensure is that no 2 students will be getting the same test booklet. In any case, all the testing, whether it's the interview or the GDs or the written tests, all of this, mind you, is for your benefit. The more sincerely you take it and the more sincerely you work upon it, all the benefit goes to you. So this is not like a school or a college exam or a test where the aim is to pass by hook or by crook for some people. This is a question of your careers, so you have to take it very seriously. You have to take a very, very critical and a serious self-assessment, the true self-assessment where you stand, because only then you will be able to make a move towards improving your scores and improving your chances as far as recruitment is concerned. At the end of this process, which consists of a certain number of personal interview sessions and feedback, a certain number of group discussion sessions and feedback, and a certain number of written tests, the coaches will prepare a final report, which is purely qualitative in form. It will be given to you, and what the report will indicate will be the specific areas which are strength points for you, and more importantly, the specific areas where you need to improve. So, for example, communication could be one area where you need constant practice and constant improvement. Another area could be general awareness, where you need to brush up your general knowledge and general awareness, because a lot of general knowledge and general awareness related questions are asked not only in the written test, but also by the interviewer in the personal interview. And general knowledge and general awareness is also very, very important in group discussions, because the topic will be given to you from anywhere. And mind you, if you're not familiar with your topic, your chances of making past that GD round are finished there and then. Because obviously, when you don't know anything about the topic, you will not be able to speak in that group. So those specific areas where you need to keep practicing and you need to keep improving yourself will be provided to you in the form of a qualitative feedback report. The second product that we offer is what is... Sorry? Can I go on?
Yes, sir. I think participants, please keep your self muted. Thank you.
Okay, the second product we have is the resume building service. And as the name suggests, in this what we provide is a service where we take your resume which you have written yourself and we transform that resume into something that we call is a job winning resume, which will be written by our experts. Now, here I would like to make this comment that the first impression that you're going to be creating on any recruiter or any company is through your resume. So you have to make sure that your resume is written in such a way that it is professional in style. Till now, you have been writing resumes as students, but when you're entering the professional world, the recruiter should be able to see a resume which is written in a professional style. And it is written in such a way that it stands out between hundreds of resumes and it is eye-catching. So there is something that is written in your resume which impresses and attracts a recruiter so that he can shortlist it and call you for the selection rounds. So this is, I admit, not a very easy job. Not everybody can write a very good resume. You can read about how to write good resumes on anywhere. You can read articles on the internet. But when you sit down to write it, a lot of people struggle. So we provide this service of writing a resume for you. So your job is actually done by us. And you can straight away take that resume and start submitting it wherever you want to apply. The third part or the third product that we offer is what is called coaching for career change. This is not applicable to you all, I assume, because most of you are graduating and are going to be looking for their first job. So you really have not started your career. But just for information, we have a career coaching package to help candidates who are already midway or less than midway into their career, which means that they have roughly 7 to 10 years of experience, and for some reason are not satisfied with the kind of job or the kind of industry or the kind of sector that they're working in. So for example, a person might have got fed up with the sales job. He might have started very enthusiastically at the beginning of his career in a sales and marketing job, and might decide that at the end of 7-8 years, he might come to the conclusion that sales and marketing is not his cup of tea. He's not doing well, he's not enjoying it. He or she wants to make a change and go into some other field altogether or some other industry altogether. So it might be that you want to move from fast moving consumer goods or FMCG into consumer durables, or you might want to go from selling a product to selling services. You might want to go from a manufacturing industry into a service industry like hotels or banks. So there are all kinds of possibilities that can arise, all kinds of situations that can arise. And the good news is that in today's world, it is far easier to make a shift in careers in terms of their industry and nature of jobs compared to what it was, let's say 20, 30 years ago, where if you were selected for a particular field of work, it was next to impossible to get into a different field. So when people who want a career change come for coaching, the first thing that we do is we do a coachability assessment, which means that we try and assess how coachable the person is. And there are some parameters for it. Because in coaching, what happens is just like in sports, there is a sports coach. The coach only guides you or gives you some pointers or directions as to what to do. Finally, the player has to play the game in the field. So when we talk about coachability, we assess whether the candidate is willing to work with a coach, willing to take directions, willing to take guidance. Does he have that kind of a mindset and willingness? And go and implement all the plans and the goals that he has jointly formulated with his coach. He has to go and implement that in the field himself. So whether he's ready and willing and able to do that is something that we assess in coachability. Then when the coaching sessions start, there are typically goal setting sessions in which the coach tries to understand what exactly is the candidate looking for. Those goals are then broken down into assignments and tasks. And as we progress from one session to another, there are coaching sessions that are held between a candidate and a coach where the progress on those assignments and tasks is reviewed, where we stand against the goals that we had set is reviewed, and then next action steps are formulated. So this is a career change coaching package, which, like I said before, and I'm repeating it again, is for somebody who is already into a career. It's not for somebody who's starting a job fresh, but you might want to keep it at the back of your mind in case somebody you know is looking for that kind of a help. So that's in a nutshell what we wanted to communicate to you about our company, what we do at the Career Excellence Hub, and how it is going to be benefiting you. So I hope you've got a good flavor of how this can help. However, we are here today to answer any kind of questions that you may have. So if you have any questions, my request is to please use the chat box, or maybe I think Pooja, you can coordinate it there, and maybe we can even take questions from people directly through their mics.
Yeah,
Because we
sure. Sure, sir. Yeah, I think participants, if you have any queries, you can always raise hand and we can request you to unmute. Or if you want to switch on your video, send a request. We will allow you to switch on your video and then you can raise your query.
I see one hand up, Preksha Mishra.
Yeah, okay, Lala, let me unmute her first. Yes, Preksha.
Hi, good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I just wanted to ask when are the sessions starting?
Okay, so let me explain how this works. Like I said, most of the written tests and personal interview sessions are basically done between you and the coach. So they can start as soon as you decide to enroll for this program. So there are no fixed dates as such. The only thing that we the only constraint that we have is that for group discussions, since we need a minimum of 5 people in a group, then we fix that particular date and we normally do it on Saturdays. So all group discussion sessions are done on Saturdays. But apart from group discussions, any personal interview, any written test can be organized through a mutual agreement on the time and date between you and the coach that is assigned to you. So for example, if you decide to enroll in this program tomorrow, then as soon as you enroll, we can start fixing up a schedule for you, depending on what are the times convenient. Obviously, not everyone is available for all the times during the day. So there are some slots that are there for each weekday, and there are some slots that are there for a Saturday. We don't work on Sundays. So we will show you what those slots are, and you will decide on which slots to come into. And then we just take off from there and log on along with the coach in a meeting on Zoom and have the session.
Right, the floor is open for session for the questions. Now, if any other participants would like to ask something. Shreya, Saroj, right. So I think we can all say, sir, that they know how to reach us in case they need to?
Yes.
Perhaps they are shy to ask.
Maybe you don't have anything to ask right now, but if at any given time you want to ask any question or seek any clarification, or if you have any query, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. We had sent you the invitations through WhatsApp, so you can get in touch with us on the same WhatsApp number. You can also visit our website, which is www.principiumadvisory.in. I'll repeat that, www.principiumadvisory.in. On the website, you'll get all the information about the Career Excellence Hub that we've talked about just now. You can see it at leisure, spend some time on it. You can write an email to us. Our email address is principiumadvisory@gmail.com. So any which way you want to get in touch with us, you're most welcome. One of our coaches will get in touch with you and talk to you, clarify any doubt you may have. Okay, I think with that we can close the session, Pooja.
Looks like, sir. I think they can reach us directly also. They know how to reach us. We have been in touch with them. So thank you everyone for sparing your time and joining us in this webinar. Still, in case you need more information, you can connect with us through our WhatsApp or reach our website for more information. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.